god, bro. Look at this. I got Candyland. Finally. Oh, come on. Boom, I got a 5T. 5 trillion. Oh my god. One. I bought Candyland. We're gonna look into it. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, I bought that. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. I gotta close first. I can buy 2 lands in a row. I think one, the Candyland, but I need the other, and now I need to get it. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, guys. 3, 2, 1. Boom! I got it! Yo! Ah! Trillion! Okay. I got an F, so bye. And yeah. Okay, we got it. These freaking... Oh wait, they're X. There are more X? Okay, I didn't know. Whoa. What? Wait, what's this? Oh, that's nothing. Okay. There's a... What? What's in here? I'm gonna open this. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, go to wizard. Enchant. Go to wizard. You stupid elephants. Oh, that's level 14. Okay, I'm gonna unequip and equip this, equip that, and equip this. So, oh, what? Here's the enchant. Wait, where are we? Oh, what? Yo, wait. What? Where are the eggs then? Oh my. Oh, there are the eggs. There's the enchant. Bro, but what? How? How? Yeah, how? Stupid. And then go open more X to get a legendary 70%. Oh, get a rare. What the hell? Wait, what? Zombie bone. Serious? Zombie? Are you serious? Okay. Again. Oh! Yes! I got him. The legendary. Yo, bro. It looks so cool. They're gonna open this egg. Whoa.
Oh my god.
An epic. What? More better. What the? I got an epic in first try. Again. No way. Meatball. Legendary! I got a toaster! What? The toaster. Okay. Gonna open X now. Well, I gonna. Oh my god. Oh. There. It's so funny game, I know. Bro. Today I began from this game, but I bought this land already. Yo, that's insane. $8 billion, what? How many percent is the... Oh, 0.01. But I need... What? Oh my god, bro. 99% of the bets. Oh my god. Godly, please. Oh. How good is that? Oh. Good. Meatball. Epic. Ah, yes, the toaster again. Equip. So. I got a chef. What? The chef. Show. Toaster again. Let's try. Then I need to go to the wizard. Okay. Go. My best pet is a Cyclops. Okay, let's delete these pets. So delete all these pets. I have this over. Oh, I got this back now. Okay. And now we're gonna go open the crate again. There's a crate. So, wait. Stealed my box. I said don't help and then he stealed, but now I'm opening this. I need hats from this. Okay, where? Why? Okay. Yeah. Okay. And where are... there is one. Don't help. Don't help me. I just won this only one. So, guys, I get so close and my only one. It's hard because I'm new at this land. This dark land. So, there I go. Whoa. 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 So many. I'm gonna open this. Just yeah. Please get in hats. Please. Yeah, I'm now in the... What? in Sparkle Space. Okay. Okay, I got the crystal hair, I think. Okay. To the 1K already. I got super rare one. What is this? What the? What? No way. Wait, what level is it? 2000. It's in the level 2000. What does that mean, bro? What? Oh my god. Look how many I get now. Oh my. I'm so. What? No way. Bro. Finally. Oh my god. 788. I finally got peanut butter sparkle. Oh my god, it's happening. What the? Okay. Yo, bro. I can't deal with this. Yo. No way. This is not good. This is not cool. Just. Oh my god. What? I don't know, but okay. Look how fast I'm going. There I go again. Another one. Okay. There's. Oh. Yo. Bro. I got a orange sparkle fedora. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah. Bye. Help. Okay. What? It's okay. So I got many of these. Oh, what? There's another one. Another one. Whoa, there are so many. I only got this and open all the chests. And then I'm gonna stop this video. It was not the end. Okay. Look how fast I'm going! Now I'm gonna open the chest. I gotta go to the teleporter. Yeah, back. So, yeah, thanks for the 500 subs too. No, I cannot even open that. Yeah. So, I'm gonna make a super duper rare coin ball. Look, you need to open that. Don't grab that. And look. Ah! 16B. Okay. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Sup and bye.